How to log out Messenger without switching account. So if you want to log out of your Messenger without switching the account, then first of all you can open up your Messenger. So we don't have a direct option to log out, but what you can do is you can simply change your password, or and now you can go for the upper right corner of your Facebook, which has that three bar icon, and simply go for settings and privacy, and then settings, and here you can go for your password and security option, and then here you will have where you are logged in, right? So you can go for see all, which is on the right side of that. So your account is logged in these mobiles. So what you can do is you can simply go for the right side of that mobile phone, which has that three dot icon. So I'll be choosing this one for now, and then you can go for logout, which is on the bottom right. So that's it. That's how you log out. So if you want to log out from your current device, and so if you want to log out from your current device, then what you can do is you have to choose your current device. You have to choose your current phone, and then you can go for the right side of that phone, of that option, which has that three dots, and then go for logout, so that your messenger will be logged out from that device. So that's it. This is the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.